Hello students, welcome to JCE Connect channel. Today we will derive E due to electric field intensity due to infinite sheet charge. This is infinite sheet charge. It is placed in X and Y plane. Means this side is going to infinity and this side is also going to infinity. This is infinite sheet charge. Means on the sheet we have complete charges. Complete charges are placed here. Because of this charges which are infinite, how much E is there at point P we are finding. We are finding at point P E due to this infinite sheet charge. This has charge density rho s, coulomb per meter square. This sheet is infinite. Because of this sheet, how much E is there at point P we are finding. As it is infinite, we have taken small part of it and its coordinates are rho and 5 and z. Since it is a cylindrical coordinate system, rho, 5 and z. Here this 5 and this z, they will take the maximum values. This 5 and this z will take the maximum values. At point P we are finding the point P is on z axis, so the coordinates are 0, 0, z. And here I have taken the coordinates are rho, 0, 0. Electric field intensity is given by the formula E is equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon R. We are finding from A to P, RAP square into AAP. E direction is from A to P. Here we have taken small part of sheet, so charge will be small, dq. Electric field intensity also will be partial, so it is dE. dq, we don't have a point charge here, we have a rho s here. Sheet charge we have. Sheet charge density is rho s. So relationship between dq and rho s is dq is equals to rho s into ds. I can't substitute here dq because I don't have a point charge here. I have rho s here. So this dq is replaced in terms of rho s as dq is equals to rho s into ds. Substitute this in the above expression. Then we have DEAP is equals to rho s into ds 4 pi epsilon RAP square into AAP. Now here R is the distance from A to P. R is the distance from A to P. So P minus A. So P minus A components will be 0 minus rho square. So rho square, 0 minus 0 square, Z minus 0 square. So Z square. So it is root of rho square plus Z square. AAP is a unit vector. Formula is AP vector upon AP magnitude. A to P, P minus A components in cylindrical coordinate system, rho A rho, 0 minus 0, 0 A5, Z minus 0, Z AZ divided by root of its magnitude minus rho square plus Z square. Or it is written as minus rho A rho plus Z AZ divided by root of rho square plus Z square. Substitute R and this A in D. Equation number 1. Substitute R and A in DE. Then we have DEAP is equals to rho s ds 4 pi epsilon RAP square we have got as rho square plus Z square, root and then square, this much will remain. And AAP we have got minus A rho plus ZAZ divided by root of rho square plus Z square. Here if we simplify rho s into ds 4 pi epsilon, this is raised to 1, this is raised to half. 1 plus half is rho square plus z square, 1 plus half is 3 by 2 into minus rho a rho plus z a z. So we have got dE from A to P as rho s ds 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square raised to 3 by 2 rho a rho minus rho a rho plus z az minus rho a rho plus z az. Here this is ds. ds is the area. How will find in cylinder area? Cylinder components are rho, 5 and z. Increment in rho is d rho. Increment in 5 is rho d5. Increment in z is dz. We are finding area, but we need to find its direction. What is the direction of area ds? We are finding in the upward direction. We are finding in the upward direction. So we are in the which plane? We are finding in the z plane. So we are finding area along z axis. Area along z axis means I should leave this and multiply the remaining 2. So I'll be having rho d5. Direction is az. We are finding in the z direction. So I should keep this as constant and multiply the remaining 2. Rho and d5. So substitute DEAP. In the DEAP substitute this. So we have rho s. Our ds will be what? Rho d5 az 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square raised to 3 by 2 into minus rho plus z az. Now multiply this az, a rho will be 0. When you multiply az dot az, it is 1. Then we will be having rho s, rho d5 az by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square raised to 3 by 2. This az into az is 1. Az into az is 1. So I will be having z into 1. This into this is 0. This into this is 1. Now this is DEAP. When I want to find complete electric field intensity, this D has to be removed. To remove this D, I have to integrate it. So EAP will be integration, but we have d rho and d5. So double integration as it is area. Rho s, rho d5 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square raised to 3 by 2 into z. Here d rho means rho, radius of the cylinder. Limit is from 0 to infinity. Maximum value will be infinity. And 5 is the angle. Even its maximum value is 0 to 2 pi. You can take maximum up to 2 pi. Now take the constants out. Z rho s 4 pi epsilon is constant. Integration rho equal to 0 to infinity. Rho d rho square plus z square raised to 3 by 2. Integration phi 0 to 2 pi d5. Now this is constant. I have to solve for this. I want rho d rho, so rho square plus z square, I will take it as u square. I want rho d rho, I want d rho, so 2 rho d rho is equals to 0, 2u du if you differentiate, or rho d rho is u du. What is the limit for rho? Rho is 0 to infinity. When rho is 0, substitute in this, u is z. When rho is infinity, substitute in this. I will get u as, when rho is infinity, u is infinity. Substitute in this. If I simplify for this, its value is 2 pi. And if I simplify for this, I will get this much. Substitute now here. Electric field intensity from E8P will be rho s into z, rho s into z divided by 4 pi epsilon integration u is from z to infinity, rho d rho is u du, rho d rho is u du. When rho is 0, it becomes z is, u is z. When rho is infinity, u is infinity. Substitute like that, z to infinity, u du, u square raised to 3 by 2, because rho square plus z square is u square raised to 3 by 2, and this is 2 pi. If I simplify for this, this is 2 pi. This pi and this pi will go 2 and 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Rho s into z upon 2 epsilon, and then integration u equal to z to infinity, u into du. This 2 and this 2 will go, and u cube. Rho s into z upon 2 epsilon. This is integration u equal to z to infinity, 1 upon u square into du, or rho s into z upon 2 epsilon integration u equal to z to infinity u raised to minus 2 into du. Rho s into z upon 2 epsilon u raised to minus 2, u raised to, if you integrate minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and limit is from z to infinity, or rho s into z upon 2 epsilon u raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 z to infinity. Rho s into z upon 2 epsilon, this minus 1 I will take here, 1 upon u, limit is from z to infinity, or minus rho s into z upon 2 epsilon 1 upon infinity minus 1 upon z. So I'll be having minus rho s into z upon 2 epsilon 1 upon infinity is 0 minus 1 upon z. So we will be having minus rho s z upon 2 epsilon into minus 1 upon z. This z will go minus minus plus rho s upon 2 epsilon. So electric field intensity due to infinite sheet charge from A to P is given as rho s upon 2 epsilon into Az. Thank you.